In today's video, I'm going to teach you Coinbase versus PayPal, which one is better. To get started, open your web browser and head over to google.com. In the search bar at the top, type in Coinbase versus PayPal, which one is better, and hit enter. This simple search brings up a helpful summary that compares both platforms side by side, so you don't have to dig through dozens of separate articles. Near the top of the results, you should see an AI-powered overview. This summary explains that Coinbase is generally better suited for serious crypto trading, while PayPal tends to be the better choice for casual users who mainly want easy, mainstream payments with the option to buy some crypto on the side. Let's break that down in plain language so it's really clear. Coinbase is designed for people who want to go deeper into cryptocurrency. It offers a wide range of digital assets, advanced trading tools, and options like staking, which lets you earn rewards on certain coins by holding them. Security is a big focus, and it's built to function as a dedicated crypto platform rather than a general payment app. The trade-off is that for very simple purchases, the fees can feel higher compared to some other specialized exchanges, and the interface might look a bit intimidating if you're totally new to crypto. On the other hand, PayPal is built around everyday money tasks first: sending and receiving payments, shopping online, and handling quick transfers. Crypto is more of an add-on feature. You can buy and sell a few of the most popular cryptocurrencies, and the process is very user-friendly. Because so many people already trust and use PayPal, it can feel like a safe and convenient way to get a little exposure to crypto without opening a separate exchange account. The downside is that your crypto options are limited, and transaction fees can be relatively high, especially if you compare them to platforms built specifically for trading. The AI overview also points out a useful connection between the two. Coinbase actually lets you buy crypto using a linked PayPal account in some regions. That means you can take advantage of PayPal's convenience for funding while still using Coinbase's more advanced crypto features. So putting it all together, if your main goal is deep engagement with cryptocurrency, with access to many different coins and more powerful tools, Coinbase is usually the better fit. If your focus is general payments and you only want occasional, simple crypto purchases, PayPal will likely feel more straightforward